How's it going, everyone? I am back from Best Buy. I got my keyboard for my ePad Transformer. Here's the box. Same as the ePad, exact same thing. Let's just go ahead and open this up. Check it out. Box, and here it is. Oh yeah. Let's go ahead and unwrap it. Merry Christmas to me. Wow, this is nice. Kind of looks like military grade. Same material as the transformer itself. USB port. I'm sorry, this is not a USB port. This is where you charge it. This is the USB port here. And there should be another one right here. And here we have your SD card. There's something in here already. Looks like it's just a demo card. Put that back in here. Like that. Very nice. Set that down. Let's see what else is in the box. I assume that's directions. Yeah. That's it. User manual. Great. And I will read this later. I'm going to go ahead and charge this up. And I'll be right back. Okay guys, I am back. All charged up. And ready to transform. So, let's see, I guess. Need to bend this back a little bit. Put it right in. Kind of just snaps into place. Lock, unlock. Lock. Okay. Let's turn it on. Let's see if it recognizes it. Well, it has over here charging 41%. Okay, I'm going to go into something that we can use with the keyboard. I'm going to go into Polaris Office. New file. Document. And there it is. Start typing. Oh, you can zoom in. Hello YouTube. This thing is awesome. I'm gonna have to go and play with it. Let me see how this closes. And it closes just fine. Look at this. Isn't this cool? Nice and compact. Go anywhere, anytime. Let's open it. It's like a clam. Great. Well, thank you for watching. This was totally worth it. Docking station, only $149.99 at Best Buy. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.